All right, let's go over C3, sketch a set. So we have to build it by linears and quadratics whose product, so when you multiply them, makes a quartic function. Let's do this in red. Quartic is x to the fourth. So quartic is x to the fourth. Okay, how do I build that? Well, to build this, I'm going to have to use the characteristics below. So it says two imaginary zeros. Remember, imaginary zeros don't cross x-axis. And it's easiest to build these imaginary roots. Well, you have to use what has a power of 2, a quadratic. So I'm just going to put it right here. Okay, you can put it anywhere you want. And remember, to build a quadratic, you do 1 squared. So right 1, up 1. If you go over 2, 2 squared is 4. And then symmetry, instead of going right 1, up 1, you go left 1, up 1. Left 2, up 4. Okay, so this is a quadratic and is x to the second power. Okay, now it says a 0 at 2. So here, I'm just going to use a linear. And the easiest linear to use or to build is, well, you just want a slope of 1. Left 1, down 1. So negative 1, negative 1. So a slope of negative 1 divided by negative 1 is positive 1. And why I'm doing this, I'm trying to get back to the y-intercept because that can help me build an equation like x minus 2. Okay, and we did not, let's finish building a line. Let's finish building a line here. The blue equation we didn't write, but you know it's quadratic, it's positive, and it has a vertical translation, a d value of positive 6. Okay, last one. I need another linear. That's x to the first, because x to the first times x to the first times x to the second will give me a fourth power quartic. So I need it at negative 3. And again, to build a linear, I'm trying to use slope-intercept form. So I have to build it back to the y-intercept. So I can use slope-intercept form. Up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1. That is positive 3. So h of x equals x plus 3. Okay. All right, so we basically just built our quartic function.